In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to train a character actor in Artflow AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a consistent, reusable character that you can call on for storyboards, illustrations, comics, or any creative project where the same face or persona needs to appear across multiple images. First, log into Artflow AI. Open your browser, head to the official Artflow site, and sign into your account. Make sure you're on a stable connection so your uploads don't stall, and always use the official login page for security. If you're switching devices or browsers, confirm you're logged into the correct account so your trained actor ends up in the right workspace. Once you're in, click on Actor Studio. You'll typically find it in the main navigation or dashboard area. Actor Studio is where Artflow keeps all the tools for creating and managing character actors. Think of it as the home base for training, organizing, and later reusing your characters. Inside Actor Studio, click on Train New Actor. This is the feature that sets up a dedicated, consistent character identity for Artflow to reference. It's different from generating a one-off image. Training creates a reusable model that keeps the character's look steady across prompts and scenes. Next, you'll select a goal, upload photos, enter information, then get started. Start by choosing the goal that best fits what you want. Your goal helps Artflow understand whether you're aiming for a realistic look, a stylized vibe, or another creative direction, and it guides the training so the results match your intent. Now upload photos. Provide clear, well-lit images of your character from multiple angles. Aim for variety in expressions and poses, but keep the subject consistent. Avoid heavy filters, extreme makeup, or busy backgrounds that might confuse the model. Higher resolution images work best, and stick to content you own the rights to. Don't include any private or sensitive details in your images. Enter the information Artflow requests. Give your actor a clear name and a concise description that captures the essence you want. Age range, general style, mood, and any defining traits. Keep it clean, descriptive, and free of personal data. Short, specific wording helps the system understand your intent without overcomplicating it. Finally, click Get Started. Artflow will begin training your character actor, which can take a little time depending on your files. When it's finished, your new actor will appear in Actor Studio, ready to use across your creative prompts for consistent, reliable results. That's it. Log in, open Actor Studio, train a new actor, set your goal, upload photos, add the details, and start training. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your character library in Artflow AI.